You may have seen my other reviews on e-cover stuff, or saying that once you start using e-cover stuff, you basically want to use e-cover stuff for everything because it works. And I got this in a pack and I love how it came in that little box. Almost done, and this one is still full. And how I do it for my load is I basically just put as much as possible, because I mean I don't know, people say like use tablespoons of this stuff. I'm probably using, for a wash load, usually it's around 8 kg. Well, it's probably like that big, I've got 2 of those. I'll feel like I'll load this like 2 of these, and sometimes I even top up a little bit more. So I do use a lot, perhaps more than... Right, so I just got this one. One of my favorites. This is what I started with when I was buying these, was the lavender and sandalwood. I just love the scent. Now I have to say, I don't think it's as intense as it was before. Like, it used to be like you take the laundry out and the whole house smells like lavender, and which I kind of like. So I don't think these newer ones are as intense, or the formula, I think they've adjusted it. I don't think it's as intense. So as you can see, got these. I usually buy them at a certain price. So as you can see, like, even though I have a spare of that, I still got that because I saw that this was at a price that I like, which is the price I used to get it before, when I used to get them from the supermarket. Whenever they are that price, I would get 2, 3 of them, and then of course they'll go back to the usual price, you know, the usual price. So, and then I started buying them from Amazon, which is why with this it came in a pack and for a nice price. And then I saw this, I had a nice price to it too, so I got that. And that's basically how I do, and I like to have spare of stuff. And yes, my washing comes out nicely. I'm not sure how it would do if you have clothes where you're rolling in mud, for example. You might do if you do a pre-wash of those clothes, then, because look, that apparently that's a 0 one, right? So it has no fragrance. I don't mind fragrant stuff, which is mostly why I've got that. It says removes most stains even at 20 degrees. Like, that's pretty good. I don't really wash at 20 degrees. I wash around 30, but mostly eco, okay? So my load usually finishes in under an hour because there's no need for a washing machine to be going on for 3 hours. And so I usually use the eco mode because all I'm washing is basically sweat. I do that. So this is the thumb for that one. Here you go. Definitely recommend them, obviously.